Okay, we have been given this question. There are a set of choices to zero in. We are expected to find the value of integral 0 to pi over 4 f of x dx. And let us pause the video and have some time so you all can work it out and zero in the right choice. Then when we return, let's see what exactly is the correct choice. Okay, I hope you all have got the solution for this question. Foremost, let us simplify f of x. F of x is given as 7 times tan raised to the power of 8x. I'm going to rewrite it as probably 6x times tan squared x. Follow it up with 7 times tan raised to the power of 6x. Negative 3 times tan raised to the power of 4x. Negative 3 times tan raised to the power of 2x. Now, we have a formula, secant squared x negative tan squared x is equal to 1. From here, I can rewrite secant squared x negative 1 is equal to tan squared x. So, in place of tan squared x, I will be utilizing this. So, this is going to be 7 times tan raised to the power of 6x times secant squared x negative 1 positive 7 times tan raised to the power of 6x negative 3 times tan raised to the power of 4x negative 3 times tan raised to the power of 2x. This is equal to, you distribute this tan, you get 7 times tan raised to the power of 6x times secant squared x negative 7 times tan raised to the power of 6x positive 7 times tan raised to the power of 6x negative 3 times tan raised to the power of 4x negative 3 times tan raised to the power of 2x. Negative 7 times tan raised to the power of 6x positive 7 times tan raised to the power of 6x, they get cancelled, giving me 7 times tan raised to the power of 6x times secant squared x negative 3 times tan raised to the power of 4x. I wish to write it as tan raised to the power of 2x times tan raised to the power of 2x followed by negative 3 times tan raised to the power of 2x. This is equal to 7 times tan raised to the power of 6x times secant squared x negative 3 times tan squared x. I will be employing the same representation for tan squared x, which is secant squared x negative 1. So this is going to be secant squared x negative 1 negative 3 times tan raised to the power of 2x. This is equal to 7 times tan raised to the power of 6x times secant squared x negative. You distribute tan squared x, you are going to get 3 times tan squared x times secant squared x. Negative, negative, positive, that's going to be 3 times tan squared x followed by negative 3 times tan squared x. Negative 3 times tan squared x, positive 3 times tan squared x goes up, giving me 7 times tan raised to the power of 6x times secant squared x negative 3 times tan raised to the power of 2x times secant squared x. Now, can I take secant squared x out? So this is going to be 7 times tan raised to the power of 6x negative 3 times tan raised to the power of 2x times secant squared x. This is going to be the quantity that we have got. What is this? This is nothing but f of x. But we are expected to find 0 to pi over 4 f of x dx, which is equal to integral 0 to pi over 4 7 times tan raised to the power of 6x negative 3 times tan raised to the power of 2x times secant squared x times dx. Now let me make the substitution that tan x is equal to t. I differentiate, I get secant squared x dx is equal to dt. So this is going to be integral 0 to pi over 4. In place of tan, I'm going to substitute t. So this is going to be t raised to the power of 6 negative 3 times t raised to the power of 2 times secant squared x dx is going to be dt. So if I were to integrate this, this is going to be 7 times, let me rewrite this as 0 to pi over 4, it's all pi over 4, t raised to the power of 6 times dt negative 3 times integral 0 to pi over 4 t raised to the power of 2 times dt. So this is going to be 7 times, you integrate this, you get t raised to the power of 7 divided by 7, you integrate this, you get t raised to the power of 3 divided by 3. You don't need to worry about the limits, just make the substitution, cancel this out, and you get t raised to the power of 7 negative t raised to the power of 3. Now you revert it back. This is going to be tan raised to the power of 7 x, the limits are 0 to pi over 4 followed by tan raised to the power of 3x, limits are 0 to pi over 4. I hope you are able to watch the substitution. Now if you substitute the upper limit, you get 1 minus 0. If you substitute the upper limit, you get 1. So it's actually 1 minus 1, isn't it? So 1 minus 1 is what you're getting. What is 1 minus 1? You get 0. So what is the conclusion? So this means integral 0 to pi over 4 f of x dx is equal to 0. So this is the value you should have chosen. So this is a lovely question, and that concludes the end of this class. Students, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, everybody.